Hello everyone, David Lewis here. I have a question for you, and that question is this. Should the customer be afraid of you in the sales process? And my answer is yes. And why? Well, because we are professional salespeople. We are trained to sell cars. And when are we trained to sell the car? Now. Now keep something in mind, that the customer and the salesperson, we have two totally separate agendas in the dealership. See, my agenda as a salesperson is to sell the car today. And for how much gross? As much as possible. And the customer's agenda, well, it's different. There is to buy the car when they're ready and pay as little as possible. So, should they be afraid of us? Yes, they should. So how do you remove that fear? How do you lower their defensive posture? Well, you do this by getting them to like you, by not being the salesperson they expected you were going to be, by not using high pressure and trial closes and innuendos, by finding a car they fall in love with, taking your time in the process. Now, do you have the right to ask for the sale at the end of this process? Of course you do. And that's natural, and I think they expect that. But let's try to remove those fears. So, I'd love to know your comments. I'd love to know what your thoughts are. Do you think the customer is actually afraid of us? Why? And more importantly, what tools and techniques do you use to remove those fears and get that customer to buy a car? I'd love to know. Please give me some comments. Good luck, everyone. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I inspired you. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can receive more content like this every week. And should you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them.